Have you ever wondered why humans behave the way we do? It's a grand mystery, isn't it? A spectacle that unfolds before us every day as we interact with each other. Each person, a unique set of behaviors, emotions, reactions, and interactions that paint a vivid picture of who we are as a species. You see, human behavior is a complex and diverse phenomenon. It's like a kaleidoscope, ever-changing, and each turn revealing a new pattern. No two individuals are the same, and neither are their behaviors. This complexity is what makes us human, what sets us apart, and what brings us together. Our behavior is influenced by a myriad of factors. Genetics, for instance, plays a significant role. It's like the blueprint of our behavior, inherited from our ancestors and shaping our disposition and tendencies. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. Our environment, the world around us, also molds our behavior. It's like a potter's wheel, shaping and sculpting us as we grow and evolve. The culture we live in, the people we interact with, the experiences we have, they all leave an imprint on our behavior. And then there are our individual experiences. These are the stories we live, the triumphs and trials that define us. They color our perception, influence our decisions, and ultimately shape our behavior. Today, we are going to delve into some fascinating facts about human behavior. We'll explore the power of colors, the influence of body language, the intriguing phenomenon of the bystander effect, and the profound impact of music on our mood. Human behavior is a vast and intriguing field, and the more we learn about it, the more we understand ourselves and others, the more we appreciate the uniqueness of each individual and the diversity of our species. So, are you ready to embark on this journey of discovery? Let's dive into these intriguing facts and understand the enigma of human behavior a little bit better. Did you know that colors have a significant impact on our behavior? Yes, indeed. The hues you surround yourself with can influence your mood and reactions in subtle yet impactful ways. Let's dive into this fascinating world of color psychology. Imagine a red apple. This vibrant color can stimulate your senses, making you feel more alert and excited. It's no wonder that red is often used in marketing to grab attention and invoke urgency. Now picture a calm blue ocean. Blue, in contrast to red, has a soothing effect. It fosters feelings of peace and tranquility, which is why it's often used in spaces designed for relaxation or concentration. But it doesn't stop there. Yellow can spark creativity, green can promote a sense of balance, and purple can evoke feelings of luxury and elegance. Isn't it intriguing how these color-coded responses are hardwired into our brains? So, next time you're feeling stressed, maybe a change of color can help. Think words are the only way to communicate. Think again. Communication extends beyond the realm of spoken or written language. It dives into the subtle art of body language, a silent yet powerful form of non-verbal communication. Body language, be it a simple nod, a fleeting glance, or a firm handshake, often conveys more than words ever can. It's the unspoken dialogue that reveals our true feelings and intentions. It's in the way we stand, the way we move our hands, or even in the subtle changes in our facial expressions. Understanding body language is like having a secret key to the human psyche. It can help us better comprehend what people are truly feeling or intending, beyond what they're willing to voice out. It's a silent symphony, where every gesture, every posture, and every expression plays a crucial note. Remember, actions often speak louder than words. Ever wondered why people are less likely to help someone in distress when others are present? Well, this is a well-studied psychological phenomenon known as the bystander effect. It sounds counterintuitive, doesn't it? You'd think that more people around would mean more help, but it's quite the opposite. The bystander effect is the social psychological theory that individuals are less likely to offer help in an emergency situation when other people are present. It's like an unwritten social rule that kicks in, and we unconsciously follow it. This effect was first studied in the late 60s by psychologists John Darley and Bibb Lataine, following the infamous case of Kitty Genovese, a woman who was attacked in New York City while numerous people reportedly did nothing to intervene. Why does this happen though? One reason is something called diffusion of responsibility. This is the idea that the more people who are present, the less any one person feels responsible for taking action. Each person thinks, "Oh, someone else will surely step in." We distribute the responsibility to act among the crowd, and ironically, this often leads to nobody acting at all. Another factor is the fear of embarrassment or doing something wrong in front of others. We worry about being judged or making a mistake, and this social pressure can paralyze us into inaction. We also look to others to see how they're reacting. If everyone else seems calm or indifferent, we're likely to follow suit, even if someone clearly needs help. The bystander effect is a startling reminder of how our behavior can be influenced by our social environment. But knowledge is power. By understanding this effect, we can consciously choose to act differently. We can decide to be the one who steps in, who calls for help, who breaks the silence. So, the next time you find yourself in a crowd and something doesn't seem right, remember the bystander effect. Don't just stand there, be the difference. Knowing about the bystander effect can help us be more conscious and proactive in emergency situations. Music, it's more than just entertainment. It's a powerful tool that can sway our emotions and behavior significantly. Think about it. When you're feeling low, doesn't an upbeat tune often lift your spirits? That's because research shows that faster tempo music, with its high energy beats, can improve mood and even boost productivity. On the flip side, consider those quiet evenings when you need to unwind after a long day. A slow-tempo melody with its calming rhythm often does the trick. It helps slow your heart rate, reduces stress, and promotes relaxation. But that's not all. Music can also serve as a trigger, taking us back to memorable moments, evoking nostalgia, and stirring deep-seated emotions. It's almost as if each note, each rhythm has the power to tap into our inner world and stir our souls. So choose your playlist wisely, it might just change your day. And there we have it, a glimpse into the fascinating world of human behavior. From the silent whispers of colors to the loud declarations of body language, we've traversed a path that's as complex as it is revealing. Unveiling the mysteries of human behavior is no small task, but in doing so, we can better comprehend ourselves and those around us. Let's take a moment to revisit our journey. We began by understanding the power of colors. More than mere visual stimuli, colors have a profound impact on our emotions, perceptions, and actions. They can make us feel calm, agitated, happy, or sad, subtly influencing our behavior in ways we often overlook. Next, we delved into the world of non-verbal communication, body language. Our gestures, facial expressions, and posture speak volumes about our thoughts, emotions, and intentions. A firm handshake, a warm smile, or a furrowed brow can reveal more than 1,000 words ever could. Then, we explored the intriguing phenomenon of the bystander effect. This psychological concept explains why we, as individuals, are less likely to help someone in distress when there are others present. It's a stark reminder of the influence of group dynamics on our behavior. And finally, we discovered the power of music on our mood. The right melody can lift our spirits, while a somber tune can plunge us into introspection. Music, in its unique way, shapes our emotions and consequently, our behavior. Each of these elements, colors, body language, the bystander effect, and music, contributes to the intricate tapestry of human behavior. They remind us that our actions are not random, but are influenced by a multitude of factors, both visible and invisible. Human behavior is complex and multifaceted, but with each fact we uncover, we understand ourselves a little bit better. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning,